If you don't want to feel bored, this will help because this is exactly what I'm doing to feel amazing and look forward to the next day. SpongeBob also does this too, so I don't want you to miss out on this. We'll be great friends because we're both optimistic. We look forward to things that happen. I want you to constantly think about this because negative thoughts won't help you. Even when I'm working an 8-hour shift, I'm at school for 8 hours and longer, I'm bored at home, I always find something to do. The same with SpongeBob. SpongeBob always finds a little thing or a cool little trick to always be happy and look forward to the next day. And a simple thing that I've been doing, and SpongeBob, every other character that is on TV does, is they do daily experiences. They try something new or fun every single day. Whether it's meeting a friend, biking to this one place, building something new in their backyard, drawing something inside, working out. A ton of things you can do every single day. Depends on what you want to do. What you think is fun, exciting, enjoyable will make you look forward to the next day. But I will say it's usually something that other people will think you're weird or crazy for doing, but you find enjoyment and excitement in. It's also something that you would say, oh, no way, there's no point in doing that. Oh, I can't even do that. I'm not saying it's going to be a piece of cake, but if you really want every single day to be cool, you can talk about it in a story, then you need to keep doing new things. That's how I get more ideas and more things. Imagine you believed that the cure to happiness, to depression, to feel amazing, all you had to do was touch your fingers like this. So that's not only why you should believe this works and be optimistic about it, but it's also a little thing I can do, which will give me a lot of joy. So find enjoyment in the little things. It's the best to do this when you don't rely on scrolling on social media all the time. I like it so much because it always gives me a new thing to do. I found it so boring watching YouTube videos over and over and over again. Being inside over and over and over again, doing the same routine of my life over and over and over again. But it's these new things, big or small. A lot of the little things let me feel the big emotions. One little thing I did, which took me 30 minutes, and I'm showing it to you right now, is this shirt. I made this smiley face shirt. It took me like 30 minutes. It was so fun. I tied these buttons, drew this smiley face on it, and it's such a great thing. I can wear this thing, I can remember it. It kept me entertained for a while, and I did other things in that day as well. And if you're not sure who I am, I'm Timofey. I just love sharing things that I've done in my life. Hopefully you can think about something that I say. If you like the vibe of this video so far, consider subscribing. It's always free and you can change your mind. It's also in doing new things and hobbies, like I've been trying to learn the piano, play guitar, making smoothies, cooking, learning new things and experimenting. Another cool thing I'm doing is literally talking to you right now. I'm so glad I have this channel because it really pushed myself out there and gave so many benefits along the way. And if you would like something cool like this too, click that Calendly link in the description. Book a quick call to see if you'll fit for my coaching to help you get to 1,000 subs, 10,000 subs, and feel amazing. Now that you know what you can do it. Plan out the day in advance and think of some cool, new, little things that you can do tomorrow. And comment on this video what you're going to do so other people can get ideas but also hold you accountable to what you're going to do. All that's left is for you to finally break this routine of watching video after video. Don't forget about this video. Try this thing. Apply it. If you want to get an extra boost in this, you can join the free Like-Minded Club where I have a 7-day challenge course which you can do. I'm going to add some more stuff in there, but you can also talk to hundreds of like-minded people who all help each other, motivate each other. I guarantee you can make a few friends in that place. So click that Like-Minded Club, join that right now. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking it, subscribe, do the stuff to spread this around the algorithm so more people can see this. And we all want to live better lives. Like, who doesn't want to live a better life? It's not rocket science, it's not a crazy thing. You don't have to jump off a bridge, but all you have to do is start doing something new that's challenging and you'll feel a lot better. So yeah, that's all I gotta say, man. Until next time, I'll see you later, man. Peace. Boingy, boingy, boingy tree. Yeah, I'll see you, man.